Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Miss Philippines Eco International 2025, Alexi Brooks has taken the Philippines by storm with her drop-dead gorgeous androgynous looks, creating waves in the pageant industry. Her journey, however, has not been without challenges. Alexi faced significant bullying throughout her life due to her skin color and curly hair. Rather than succumbing to the negativity, she found strength and empowerment through sports, using it as a vehicle to break free from the cycle of discrimination. Alexi's resilience and denominations have not only propelled her to success in the pageant world, but also fueled her passion for advocacy. She is dedicated to championing women's empowerment, striving to provide Filipinas with the same opportunities that the sports afforded her. Her advocacy, Aban Si Babay, aims to uplift the empowered woman, ensuring they have support and resources needed to succeed. As a Golden Warrior, Alexi continues to challenge modeling norms and shatter beauty standards. Her unique presence and unwavering commitment to her advocacy inspire countless individuals, demonstrating the true beauty lies in strength, resilience, and the courage to defy societal expectation. Alexi Brooks is not just a pageant title holder, she is a beacon of hope and empowerment for women everywhere. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!